Welcome to Inside Globe. In this video, we are discussing the CFN003. In this paper, you can see a first part A descriptive type questions and the B part is practical exercises. For information, we have solved these papers according to the chapter wise and according to the word limit wise. And if you are looking for these answers, contact us anytime. We will provide all the answers accordingly. And if you have other queries related to the admission, enrollment, and whichever you want to ask for the your course or your career guidance, so you can contact us. We provide the paid consulting for your career guidance. You can contact us anytime. You can ask your questions from us, and you can find a good way that in which field you will find the success in your future. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet you soon in the next video. I hope this video helps for you. Contact us today. We'll provide the help accordingly. Thank you so much.